We're going to show you how to mount the robot, put it on in all the positions you need to get the bolts into the base, and then start the robot program. So at this point, the robot is in the shipping position. So when you take it out of the foam box, this is going to be it, and you're going to be able to install 2 bolts into the base of the robot. You won't be able to get the other 2 in yet. Go ahead and put it on the table. Be careful with it. It's expensive. Throw the 2 bolts in there and get them to a pretty tightened position so that it won't move around. And then we're going to move it into a position where you can add those 2 remaining bolts. So at the start of the screen, you might see something like this. So the robot's going to be powered off. You're going to have to press on. You're going to hear the controller start. And then you're going to press start. So that's going to release the brakes of the robot. You'll hear it move, and now you're ready to go. If you have any other issues with this, most likely you have your emergency stop pressed. That might have happened during shipping. Go ahead and pull that out, and you should be able to start the robot. Press OK. Back. Program robot. Load program. So there's essentially 3 programs that you're going to use in order to get this set up for trade shows. They're going to be the program you actually run with the ECBPI on there, the add additional base bolts program, which we're going to start right now, and eventually the box transportation position program. So that's going to be how you get it back to this position in order to ship it at the end of the show. They're conveniently the top 3. Go ahead and add additional base, open. It's going to have 1 position. Go ahead, press home, that's the position, move here. And then you can hold down auto. You can adjust the speed down here at the bottom, but I would refrain from making it too high. You kind of want to allow the robot to move slowly initially in case anything happened during shipping. So you can hold auto at this point and see the robot move. Eventually it'll reach its final position. You can drop the remaining 2 bolts in there, snug all 4 bolts down, press OK, file, exit. You're done with that program. In order to get it into the program that you're going to run during the trade show, load program, 3D box, open. You're going to have to move the program to home start. Move here. Hold auto. Now you're in a position you can start the program. Press OK. Exit. Run program. File. Load program. 3-box gravity fed. Open. And you can press start. And from that position, you should already have the ECBPI mounted on there. Be careful not to turn the wrist when you're mounting the ECBPI in any way that the robot doesn't like. You'll hear cracking if you do. That's not good. And at this point, you should be able to allow the program to keep going through it.